This is the 9th Daniel Marshall Kitzbuhel Campfire cigar event, so very exciting. I feel like I am home, and that's the amazing thing. It's rare that you feel so comfortable and safe and cozy, and we did something really extraordinary this year because last year, you know, with everything, there's always challenges and reasons to quit and to stop because it was minus 35 centigrade last year. It was so cold you could not stand or keep your hands still. So we were all like this with the cigars. And so I said, Richard, we have to do something. We have to heat up the place like a movie set. We have to go crazy and go over the top and make it so warm people don't need jackets or clothes. And so the American-Austrian connection got together, and then we created this tented, all-weather cigar lounge. I think it's the best and the only one in the world which is tented, it's outside, we have this amazing air and heated with beautiful heaters and blowers, and you'll see, you visit a movie set, it's the same temperature, maybe even more. So welcome everybody and enjoy the campfire. Hope to see you and all the people listening and watching to come. And don't forget, we don't smoke, we taste cigars.